Innovation is taking two things that exist and putting them together in a new way. A new idea applied for a positive impact. Product development project on coconut chili powder is a quality product of Bachelor of Science in Agribusiness Management. The coconut, Cocos nacifera, is commonly called the coconut tree or new, and this is the most naturally widespread fruit plants on earth. Coconut is one of the most important crops in the Philippines, with the country being the second largest coconut producer in the world. The product development project in coconut chili powder used the appropriate strategy to enhance the process innovation product reducing the main commodity. Innovative product, it's such a great way to give chances who are searching another livelihood, especially the powered poor, lack of capital, and this is the way using a guide for innovation. Coconut chili powder is all about the value of leftover coconut to be improved into a valuable and innovative product of coconut chili powder. Is a dried pulverized fruit of one or more varieties of chili pepper, scientifically named Capsicum protuberans. Coconut chili powder is the latest product in Mati City. We know spicy is valued by everyone because it brings and gives flavor to foods. For the community, this will provide information about chili powder. This is usually consumed every day as an essential ingredient for the dishes to appetite and to give more nutrients value like high fiber and low fat. The objective of the invention, the study aimed to determine the financial viability and the market potentials of coconut chili powder to the resident of Mati City, Davao Oriental. Specifically, the study aimed to compute total initial amount investment in starting the processing business, determine the average monthly and annual income generate in processing the product, and identify the shelf life of product, and the last one, conduct the pre-test of coconut chili powder. The financial assumptions conducting of the study will be the project produced in 1 month a total of 100 jars of the coconut chili powder priced at 130 pesos per jar. From the result of the operation, the product had formulated estimations order to identify its future expenditures, expenses, and revenues. That is the cost of initial investment will be the 13,016 pesos incurred in 1 month operation. That the cost price of the coconut chili powder will be 130 pesos in order to obtain the 13,000 net income for 1 month operation. Market survey result. A demographic profile is a business that identifies several characteristics when a company used to define a market segment. The common characteristics in the profile include age and sex of the respondent. The respondent were age range from 18 to 60 years old satisfy the test of product. Majority of the respondent, 45 out of 50, 45% were young marriage. Thus, middle age and the young marriage are accept the product. The prior of the operation, a market survey was conducted using the hedonic questionnaire. The target of the respondent were 50 respondents. The number of respondents with the respective of their gender results showed that 5 out of 50, 5% were male who bought the product, and 45 out of 50, 45% were female. The percentage of married respondents during the market survey, the free test conduct, all interviewed were married. Respondent. This was used as a basis to gauge what age bracket is product is marketable. It shows the age which range from 10 to 17 got the lowest percentage, 11%. Out of 50 respondent, 11%, and the age of 18 to 60 years old got the highest number of 39% young ones accepted the product, a young marriage, and the middle age. Technical processing is an outline of an enterprise product processing where it can be found such things like ingredients, utensils, and equipment needed. It will discuss on how the product, which is an coconut chili powder, was made. Technical process is a part of the maker of good and consumer products. It is responsible for transforming the necessary raw materials into a finished product. The following are the steps of processing coconut chili powder. Step 1. Prepare all materials. Step 2. Drying coconut on bake for 30 to 60 minutes into oven and stir every 15 minutes. Step 3. Remove the coconut from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Step 4. Then blend in high-speed blender or food processor until it becomes a fine powder. Step 5. Mix together the coconut powder with the chili powder and salt using high-speed volume of food processor. Step 6. Store in airtight containers. Use as desired and ready to market. The summary of product development project on coconut chili powder. The project is all about giving a value to process into innovative product of coconut. Though there are many types of spicy that we can find in the market, but this spicy coconut chili powder is very unique spicy, and there are many benefits available in coconut chili powder, which is occurring dietary fiber has been found to promote weight loss. Coconut chili powder is make a spicy additional to all kind of dishes. To conclude, the product development project on coconut chili powder is newly introduced in Mati City, Davao Oriental. It is convenience to the customer as well as an additional source of income. To produce the product, materials needed are available in the place of study. The project stated its operation with an initial investment amount to 13,016 pesos used to purchase the direct and indirect materials, kitchens, tools, equipment. The initial capital was procured by the proponent from family. Furthermore, the project has a total volume of production for 1 month is 100 jars of coconut chili powder with the corresponding sales amounted to 13,000, while its annual operation produced 4,650 jars with the sales amounted of 604,500 pesos. The recommendation, the study was applicable only in the city of Mati based on the acceptability and the marketability of the product. It is a recommend to expand its market to another places for a wide range of market and recommended to those who want to start for a profitable and fast-paced lifestyle. All in all, the product was highly recommended to the market because it has economic value that would sustain the needs of customer. Since it was an innovative product, it was experiment that it has no rush chemical.